Hello everyone and welcome back to another informative session with Harshita Batra from English Partner. So कितनी बार ऐसा होता है कि हमें कुछ खाने का बहुत मन करता है या फिर बहुत दिल से कहीं जाने का मन करता है. So how do you normally say it in English? That I really want to eat this or I really want to go on a vacation. But आज हम इस phrase I want को replace करेंगे कुछ interesting phrases से so that you can say what you want without even using the phrase I want. To want means to desire or to crave for something. तो जब भी हमारा कुछ खाने का बहुत मन करता है, so we say I want to eat this. Rather you can say I am craving for this or I am craving for that. या फिर जब हमारा कहीं घूमने जाने का बहुत मन करता है, so we say I want to go to the mountains or I want to go on a vacation. You can replace that and say I feel like going to mountains or I feel like going on a vacation. As I told you, whenever you want to eat something, you just say I'm craving for this. You can also say I'm in the mood whenever you want to eat a particular cuisine, like I'm in the mood for a pizza or I'm in the mood for chicken tonight. How about your friend calls you up and asks you for a vacation and you really want to go? So you can simply reply by saying I'm up for the vacation. And कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि आपको कोई चीज़ बहुत दिल से चाहिए हो? So how would you say it? You normally say I really want this. But you can say it like I am dying for this. So from now on, don't say I want to do this or I want this. Instead, you can say I'm craving for this, I am dying for this, I feel like doing this, I'm up for this, or I'm in the mood for this. Stay tuned and I'll be back with another informative video for you all.